All right, so I'm going to look at graphing the mitten. So I have a Google Draw open and I have the characters in clip art on the side. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a table. And there's 8 characters. This is going to help me keep everything organized. So I'm going to put it at the bottom and resize it. And of course, I will change my text color. So I went to the border color, sorry, my line color, and I chose blue, and then the weight I did 4. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and resize my characters. So I highlighted those, then I hold down my control key and I click on the others. Then if I hold down the shift button, I can resize them and it will keep their ratio so they don't look funny. Just kind of resize so that they'll fit in those boxes. Just so I can resize quickly. Okay, then I can put them in there. You can see my little owl is behind my text box. So what I can do, I can hit the side of the text box or the table, and I can do Control Shift down. It'll move it to the back so I can grab that owl. Okay, so I move all those in there. So what I want students to do is I want them to come up and I want them to put that animal in here so that we can see the graph and see which one is the most liked animal, right? So I'm going to click on the bear and I'm going to do Control D many times. Okay. So then I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to uncheck the things. So I'm hitting Control and I'm unchecking these 2 that got highlighted on accident and also my table. Oh, okay. Then I'm going to click Arrange, Align Center, Arrange, Align Middle. Oh, and I accidentally moved my table. So let me uncheck the table. So again, I held down control and I just hit the table. So now I try again. Align middle. Then I can put that bear back where it needs to go. Okay, I can do the same thing for the badger. Just move it out so I don't have to worry about the table this time. And again, Control D. Highlight them. Arrange. Align center. Arrange. Align middle. Okay, and then I would go through and I would do that for all of those. So then that way a student can come up and they can say, oh, bear was my favorite. They grab a bear and they put it there. And there's still plenty of bears left for other students if that's their favorite. Now, if I really wanted to give them lines here in order to keep it in line, I absolutely could. I can click the line button and I can draw a line going up if you need that to help the students keep it in that column. And then, of course, you can change the line color and the line size. Okay, and you can adjust as needed. So it's a little crooked. And then if you wanted it for all of them, you would hit Control D and it would duplicate it. Control D and duplicate it. Control D. And you would just go through and do that for all of them. Okay.